This is the 25 teflon extrusion line that is going to do the testing and the factory. And this is the process of the motorized layout of the safety guard. And this is a high frequency preheater. This is the control systems for both, and this is for the control electric capacitance. And this is another system they both can use. It can feedback to the designer of the company. It's very convenient to get data and feedback. This is the battery capacitance. It's for the safety for the operators in design.